Today, we will observe the entire working process of vacuum packaging for crispy bones. First, we need to set the packaging speed on the screen to 85 bags per minute. By using the principle of vacuum suction cups to pick up bags, the bags are lifted and sent to the first station. Then, the suction cups open the bag mouth again, and the bag support pieces quickly insert into the bag mouth, stretching it to the filling station. Crispy bones are manually placed into the screw conveyor and then dropped into the small stroke shrink cup filler. The bones are pushed into the bags. At the bag mouth processing station, a rotating air blow is performed to clean the bag mouth. Then, the required oil for the crispy bones is injected, the bag mouth is straightened, and the sealing is done. Finally, it is transferred to the vacuum chamber station for vacuuming and heat sealing. The packaged crispy bones slide onto the conveyor belt, and the finished products can be seen. Thanks for watching.